Hey everyone, it's Amy, and I'm going to show you how to do these easy Halloween nails. So I have a fresh set of nails, fully sculpted out, and I went a little bit shorter this time because the long ones were driving me a little crazy. And then for this look, I'll be using a couple polishes that Madam Glam actually sent over to me. So I want to go over the polishes they sent me really quick. This first one is called Think Pink. This is part of their campaign to fight against breast cancer. They have a whole collection full of lots of different pink shades, and every polish sold in that collection, $1 will be donated to survivingbreastcancer.org. It's a good cause. Definitely go check it out. This next shade is called Pretty Liar, and this one is a nice, just medium gray shade. And the last color they sent me was Flying Purple, which is this beautiful purple velvety cat eye polish. And remember guys, I do have a discount code with Madam Glam, so it will be on the screen as well as linked down below. Save 30% off at Madam Glam. And now getting into the design, I'm going to start with Flying Purple, which is again this beautiful purple velvety cat eye polish. I'm going to put this on my pinky and my pointer finger. Next, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Spooky Pants. This is actually from their recent fall launch, which I do have a swatch video up of that fall launch. It is amazing. You guys need to check it out. But I'm going to put this on my ring finger as well as my thumb. And finally, I'm going in with Pretty Liar, which is again that gray shade. I'm going to put this on my middle finger. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of all of the colors. And for the cat eye polishes, I do the first coat just plain without the magnet. And then for the second coat, I do go in and I hold the magnet. And the magnet is what gives it that cat eye effect. So you just want to paint a nice coat on, not too thin, but you don't want to do too thick either. And you're going to hold the magnet above the nail. And you want to hold it pretty close to the nail. Just be careful not to touch the nail. And you're going to get that like shiny line, like a cat eye across the nail. And now moving on to the orange nails, I'm going in with my palette here. I'm putting some more of Spooky Pants down, and I'm adding a little bit of Perfect Black to it because I want to create more of a brown shade. And I'm going to go in on my ring finger and my thumb that already have that orange base, and I'm going to create the shape of the pumpkin, like the indents that you would see on the pumpkin. And once I have those lines down and cured, I'm going back in on my palette. I'm adding more of Perfect Black. And I'm going to create this super deep shade of brown. And I'm going to go in and draw the carved pumpkin faces. I'm going to do one scary one and one silly one. And for this design, I am using my Light Elegance's swirly brush. So these pumpkins are pretty easy to do. Just an orange base, some light brown lines, and then go in with a dark brown and create your faces. You don't have to do anything too crazy. You can just do a really basic carved pumpkin look. And now I'm going to go in with some stamping, so I'll be using all clear jelly products. This first polish is number 45, which is a silver. Next one is number 2, which is white. And I'm taking this plate here, the name will be on the screen, I can't remember what this one's called. It's like a witchy type plate. And I'm going to take the spider web and I'm going to stamp it in silver on my pointer finger. And after I get the spider web stamped down, I decided I did want to add a spider to it. So I'm going to stamp the spider in white so it just pops a little bit more. And next I'm moving on, I'm going to use number 9, which is a darker red shade, and then I'm going to use number 31, which is a medium brown shade. And the stamping plate is called Shivers. This one's a really nice Halloween plate, has a lot of good basic images on it for Halloween. But I'm going to take the blood splatter image and I'm going to stamp it down in the red polish. And after that was done, I decided it wasn't enough for me. So I wanted to kind of layer the blood splatter again, but I wanted a deeper shade. So this time I put down the red and the brown and I mixed them together when I swiped the polish. And it created this super deep red. And then I just rearranged the image when I re-stamped it the second time to give it that overlay and depth. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And here's how my nails came out. I think they are super cute. They go all together as kind of like a mix match Halloween design, but you can definitely take like the individual designs and just use them as accents on yours at home. These are all fairly simple as long as you can do stamping or do some basic painting. These are pretty easy Halloween designs to do. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying my Halloween tutorials, and make sure you're subscribed for a couple more coming up soon. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!